Hey there, junior detectives of the human body. Have you ever had a good cry and noticed your nose suddenly turns into a tiny leaky faucet? Tears in your eyes and snot in your nose? What gives? Are your eyeballs leaking out your face? Don't panic. Your eyeballs are totally fine. But this weird cry-nose combo is 100% real. And today we're solving the tearful mystery of, why does your nose run when you cry? Get your tissues ready. We're diving deep into science with a side of sniffles. Let's start with a simple fact. Your eyes and your nose are secret besties. They're connected through tiny tunnels called the nasolacrimal ducts. I know it sounds like one of those medical grammar you hear from medical students. Nasolacrimo ducto. Poof. Runny nose. These ducts are super small, but they do big work. When you blink, your tears normally drain through those ducts and into your nose. Yup, your tears sneak out the back door and slide down into your nostrils. Sneaky tears. But when you cry, like full-on, red-faced, hiccup-snorting cry, your tear factory goes into overdrive. Your lacrimal glands, that's the fancy name for your tear makers, go bananas and start pumping out more tears than your ducts can handle. Now, normally your ducts are like a gentle water slide for tears, but when you cry hard, it's like a flash flood. The tears overflow, spill down your cheeks, and rush down into your nose. And guess what? Your nose isn't thrilled about all this soggy drama. The lining inside your nose gets irritated by the extra moisture. It's like, whoa, 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 why is there eye juice in here? So your nose joins the crying party by making even more mucus. Because teamwork? So now you've got tears coming down your cheeks, tears dripping into your nose, and mucus sliding out your nostrils. You're basically a one-kid waterfall. But hey, it's all totally normal and totally science. And get this, your tears aren't just salty sadness water. Nope. They've got 3 ingredients. Water to keep your eyes moist, oil to keep them smooth and comfy, and mucus to help spread the love around. That's right, even your tears have mucus. So when you cry, your nose is actually getting a tiny taste of your tears recipe. Water plus mucus equals a runny nose surprise. And yes, it's as gross as it sounds, but also kind of amazing, right? Your face is working together like a soggy superhero team. Let's take a step back. Why do we cry anyway? It's not just because your sandwich fell on the floor or your favorite cartoon character got turned into a potato. Crying actually helps us feel better. Scientists call it an emotional release. Your brain, that giant jelly bean in your head, tells your lacrimal glands, okay, deploy the tears. When you're sad, scared, even super happy, it's like your body's way of saying, hey, big feelings are happening right now. But sometimes it's not even about feelings. Did you ever get something stuck in your eye and start crying like you just watched a sad puppy movie? That's reflex tears. They wash out dirt and irritants. Even onions can launch this emergency eye wash. Those onion tears. Oh yeah, they go straight into your nose too. So now you're chopping veggies, sobbing like a soap opera, and blowing your nose like a trumpet. Just another day in the kitchen, folks. There's even a third type of tears, basal tears. These are the everyday slow-mo tears that keep your eyeballs from drying out. Think of them like windshield wipers for your eyes, always on the job even when you're not crying. So to recap, basal tears are always hanging out. Reflex tears are the firefighters of the eyeball world. And emotional tears? They're the big, juicy ones that lead to nose Niagara Falls. By now, you're probably thinking, Okay, but does everyone have this eye-nose pipeline? Yup. Unless something's wrong with their tear ducts, humans all come with this built-in water slide. Even babies. Babies actually don't make emotional tears right away. For the first few weeks, their cries are dry, like silent movie actors. Then one day, splash! The waterworks begin, nose included. And guess what? Your body's super smart about reusing things. Not all tears exit your eyes. Some get recycled back into your nose, swallowed or even absorbed. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Your tears. Even animals cry. Well, kind of. Some animals have tear ducts to keep their eyes moist, but emotional crying? That's mostly a human thing. Dogs look like they're crying, but it's usually just those super sad puppy eyes working their magic. Octopuses, whales, lizards. They have tear glands too, mostly for cleaning or protecting their eyes. But don't expect a jellyfish to sob during a movie. Although that would be adorable and slimy. And speaking of slime, let's talk mucus. Your nose produces about 1 liter of mucus a day. 1 liter! That's like a whole water bottle full of nose goo. Most of it you swallow without even knowing. Let's take a moment to appreciate your lacrimal system. The glands, ducts, and all the plumbing behind the scenes. It's working hard to keep your eyes clean, your nose responsive, and your emotions flowing. Science, high five. Now here's a goofy fact. Your tears have natural painkillers in them. That's right. Emotional tears actually contain hormones that help reduce stress. So when you cry, your body is literally helping you feel better. Some scientists even believe that emotional crying evolved as a way to get help. If people see someone crying, they're more likely to comfort them. So tears are a built-in signal. Hey, I need a hug. So the next time your nose runs when you cry, don't worry. It's just your body being brilliant and a little dramatic. Crying might be messy, but it's also magical, healthy, and totally normal. So to summarize this splashy story, tears come in 3 flavors. Your nose and eyes are best buddies. Your ducts are little water slides, and mucus is everywhere. It's weird, it's wild, it's wonderfully you. Thanks for sliding down the science slide with us today. If you're still sniffling with curiosity, check out our other videos. We've got burping volcanoes, glowing humans, floating fun facts, and even more mysteries from your incredible body. Smack that like button like a flying tissue, blow a kiss to the subscribe bell, and wipe away those tears of joy, because science just made your day 10 times cooler. See you next time, snot stars.